Dear student, welcome to all of you in my English class. Yesterday we have studied grammar portion, narration, synthesis and transformation. But now today, dear student, I am starting prose portion, prose poetry, drama and short story. Now I am starting prose portion. The first lesson, A Girl with a Basket, written by William C. Douglas. Try to understand the explanation of the first lesson and the first paragraph. I had left dot and reports. I had left New Delhi for the Himalayas. I was starting as far as Bareilly by train and then by car to Ranikhet. William C. Douglas, who wrote this lesson, he was the popular judge of Supreme Court of USA. He was the first friend of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved India and Indian very much. Whenever Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India in 1950, he went to India to visit India and Indian. I had left New Delhi for the Himalayas. The author, William C. Douglas, left New Delhi. It means he started his journey from New Delhi to Himalayas. He was going as Bareilly by train and then by car to Ranikhet and Old British Army Hill Station. Ranikhet was an old British Army hill station where in British rule armies lived, and it was situated 6,000 feet above, rise opposite 120 miles stretch of snow covered Ranikhet. It was covered with snow 120 miles. The train was slow. Which train the author was going? It was moving very slow. It means it was a passenger train. All the way station, at every stop, I swung open the door of my compartment. Whenever, any station, the train stopped, the author swung. It means jumped from his compartment and walked platform to make all ready. The platforms were packed with people. That platforms filled with many people, as Sikhs, Muslims, Hindus, soldiers, merchants, police, beggars, vendors, etc. Almost everyone was barefoot. That persons were without shoes. They were without shoes and dressed loose white garment. They were wearing loose white garments. I would ask at least 3 people before I could find one who spoke English. The author tried to know, tried to speak 3 or 4 people, but they didn't know to fluent English, but one it speak English. We would talk with affairs and every major topic to news of the day products. After try to speak those people about the main topic of the news and the every major topic of the news and the day products. In this way, I was trying to get a feel of the pulse of the nation. In this way, author tries to know about the feelings, about the thought of the Indian people and official attitude and reports. In this way, the author reached Ranikhet and to see India and Indian very much. That's all.